Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today and for joining me in Pootles Advent Countdown. We've got another project for you, and it is part 2 of the one I started on Monday. So on Monday I explained that I had had a team event just over a week ago, just coming up to 2 weeks ago now, and I always gift my team lots of little goodies and treats and the things inside bags, you know, just to give them a gift. And this was the bag, or one of the bags I gave to them. They were all black with a little tag on it, and yes, I did use rainbow coloured tissue paper to make myself a rainbow for them, and I promised you that today I would show you what was inside. So inside each bag was a sheet of stickers, so they're motivational words and prints, so they've all got a sheet of those. They can stick them in diaries, in their planners, just around their own craft rooms and spaces. Everybody got a little notebook with a motivational quote on the front. This one is "Big things start small," and there were lots of different varieties, so I just chose one each for everybody. And then one of the projects we made, which you'll see coming up, used the Be Jolly stamp set, and so I bought everybody their own stamp set so that they had it on hand to use. And this time I wrapped. Now, I don't normally decorate what's inside the gift bags because, you know, the gift bags are the decoration. But because I haven't seen the team in 2 years because of the pandemic, I decided I'd do a little extra. So I've got a little belly band and a tag on the front, and it just slides on and off like that. So I'm going to show you how to make it, except Obsessively Tidy Sam has lost her Christmas trees dies, which are the one for here. I cannot find them anywhere. I don't know what's happened to them. The boys have been very good at helping me tidy recently, and I wonder if somebody's alphabet has gone a little wonky, because Christmas trees dies, which is what these ones are called for this one here, not in the section where you would have Christmas trees right before Christmas trimmings, not there. So we're going to wing it. Okay, so to make the belly band for a DVD size case, I've gone for 2 inches by 12 inches, and that gets just enough to overlap. And so, yeah, I cut up loads of sheets of paper of the Whimsy and Wonder Designer Series paper to get all of the ones I needed. Yeah, just cut up loads of them. And must confess, did use sellotape, but that's okay. And then I've got the seam on the front. I'm just going to make sure that my Christmas trees are the right way up. I've got it on the front so that I can cover that. So, little strip of paper, 2 inches by 4 inches, so 5 centimetres by 10 centimetres. And where's my tag punch? Hiding. Slip that in there, stamp it off, punch it out even. Oh, Samantha, where's your brain gone? And then I'm going to go with some polished pink, mint macaron, and misty moonlight, which you can actually see it in here. These are some of the colours that are in this particular collection. So obviously, you know, they were all a bit different. Everybody's was slightly different. Okay, so I want that one, and that one. And yes, on this you can see that it's a little die cut tree that's over the top, except I can't find the dies. And that really hurts my head that I can't find the dies. We'll get there. Okay, let's have a little Christmas tree over here. Very cute. This one I'm gonna have to, when I get my voice back, just is not going to be punched out, is it? It's just going to have to sit down here and overlap. Oh, it didn't. That's not annoying. Round 2, the emergency reverse side. And then I want to have my word on the front. At the top, So this would be lovely if you, I don't know if you were giving it, does anybody buy DVDs? But if you were giving a stamp set to somebody or something of this size, wrap it in brown paper, you know, the recycling paper. I've just had a bunch. I've just had a delivery and my box was absolutely rammed full of this stuff. Not a delivery from Stampin' Up, a delivery from somewhere else. Absolutely stuffed full of that. Hold on to that, perfect Christmas gifts. And then a beautifully coloured tag on the front. Now I showed you tags and labels on the front, but you know, on the front, I showed you them on Monday. Oh, Samantha, where's your brain gone? Exited the building. Beautifully coloured belly band and then a tag on the front. Just fabulous. Right, let's get some dimensionals, and then because I don't want it to stick to the stamp set, I'm just keeping the dimensionals to the middle, and then that's my seam, and I can cover over there, and that's done inside the bag with the other goodies. Some, oh my goodness, the kitten's just launched up the back of my chair. Tissue paper. I'll give you a tip for tissue paper as well. Let me move that out of the way. So it's a big rectangular sheet, and this is the centre point. So you get hold of it at the centre point like that. So you make you sort of almost a bouquet. Put that in the middle and it instantly covers up everything. Except the kitten. Hello, Fauna. You wanted to come and assist, didn't you? So anyway, I hope you like it. I hope the team did too. I'm sure they did. But anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. And a little pretty kitten. You're going to show everybody your beautiful blue eyes? No. I hope to speak to you very soon. Get your nose out. Bye. Seriously, Fauna.